In this quick video, I'll show you how to convert NPXS token to Pundix in Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. But unfortunately, Binance has released an announcement on March 21, 2022 that they will see support of old Pundi X, which is the NPXS, and the final swap for new Pundi X, which is the Pundix token. And you cannot use anymore the convert function for old Pundi X, which is the NPXS. And you can see it here. Click Binance Convert, click here, type down NPXS, and you can see that there is no result found. But fortunately, if you're holding a NPXS token before, you will receive a Pundi X because Binance will automatically convert your NPXS token into Pundix token. So we can go to your wallet here, click Overview, and then choose if you're using fiat and spot or funding. For example, let's click fiat and spot, type down Pundix, and you will see it here. So the ratio is 1000 NPXS is equivalent to 1 Pundix. So if you're holding 1000 NPXS, you will see here a total of 1 Pundix in your fiat and spot wallet. And if you have any questions about how to convert NPXS to Pundix in Binance, leave a comment below.